Common sense suggests that what people say they believe, attitudes, should predict what they actually do, behavior. However, classic studies revealed a surprisingly weak relationship. The Lapierre study, 1934, in one of social psychology's most famous field studies, Richard Lapierre traveled across the United States with a young Chinese couple. At a time of strong anti-Chinese prejudice, they visited over 250 hotels and restaurants. Only one establishment refused on service. Later, Lapierre sent questionnaires to the same establishments asking, "Will you accept members of the Chinese race as guests?" Over 90% responded no. There was a dramatic gap between attitude, reported prejudice, and behavior, actual acceptance. Why attitudes often fail to predict behavior. Several moderators determine whether attitudes align with actions. Eisen and Fishbane, 1977, and Fazio, 1990, are good examples. Specificity. General attitudes predict general behavior, but specific attitudes predict specific behavior. I care about the environment poorly predicts recycling a particular bottle, but I believe recycling this bottle is important predicts well. Time. The shorter the gap between attitude measurement and behavior, the stronger the relationship. Direct experience. Attitudes formed through direct experience predict behavior better than attitudes formed indirectly. Social norms. Even strong personal attitudes may be overridden by perceived social pressure. For example, a non-prejudiced person discriminates to fit in. Situational constraints. Lack of opportunity or ability prevents attitude-consistent behavior. For example, someone who favors healthy eating but has no access to fresh food. Theory of planned behavior. The most influential model of attitude-behavior relationship is Eisen's 1991 Theory of Planned Behavior, TPB. It proposes that behavioral intention, the immediate antecedent of action, is determined by 1. Attitude toward the behavior, positive or negative evaluation of performing the behavior. 2. Subjective norm, perceived social pressure from important others. 3. Perceived behavioral control, perceived ease or difficulty of performing the behavior, similar to self-efficacy. Intention, combined with actual control, predicts behavior. TPB has successfully predicted health behaviors, exercise, vaccination, safe sex, environmental behaviors, and academic behaviors. Social workers can use TPB to understand why clients fail to follow through. Perhaps they have negative attitudes, doesn't see value, perceive that others disapprove, or feel incapable. Behavior can also shape attitudes. The causal arrow also runs from behavior to attitude. When people engage in an action, they often infer their attitude from the action, especially when prior attitudes are weak. This is the basis of many behavioral change interventions, getting people to perform a desired behavior. For example, signing a petition, making a small donation, shifts their attitudes in favor of that behavior.